I was explaining HSL, which is what? Hue, saturation, and then what? Lightness. So HSL and HSLA. So in this case, the A becomes the alpha, just like we were explaining in the RGBA. Okay. The HSL color property has been introduced also in CSS story as an alternative way to specify colors instead of using the RGBA or RGB or the hex code or the color name. The value of this property starts with the letters HSL followed by individual values inside parentheses, which is inside bracket. Okay, so hue is what? Expressed as an angle between 0 and 360. You know, a circle has an angle of 360 degrees. Half of a circle or a semicircle has 180, just like the way a straight line has 180. Okay, a square has an angle, inside angle, which is the right angle of 90. Okay, saturation is also expressed as percentage. We told you saturation has to do with the amount of gray in a particular color, and lightness or brightness has to do with the amount of what? Black. Okay, so 0% lightness simply means white, 100% lightness simply means black. The HSLA color property allows you to specify color properties using hue, saturation, and lightness, as I've explained above here, and as a fourth value which represents transparency, which is what? Opacity. And alpha is expressed as a number between 0.0 and 1.0. For example, 0.5 represents 50% transparency and 0.75 represents 75%. Okay, so let's go to the editing tool once again to explain HSL and HSLA. So we are going straight onto MS Paint once more. Now this is Paint. Now if you check here, you see the HSL. Okay, HSL, and then the amount of what? Saturation, and then lightness. This is the RGB. You see, so as I go up the ladder, the color becomes lighter. The color becomes lighter. As I come down, it becomes deeper. Now look at the brightness. 0% lightness. And then I go. So as I'm moving up and down, I get different hue colors and different saturation colors, different RGB colors. Okay, different RGB colors. This doesn't have the opacity and or what we call the alpha property, which is the HSLA and the RGBA. Now this brings us to the end of the color as used in CSS, and then we are going to talk more on tests. Okay, on tests, which is going to be our 12th chapter of this course. Thank you for taking part, and see you in the next lesson.